Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Hype, followed by PEPE, Uni, Litecoin, Leo, Near, Aptos, and anyway, ending with Internet Computer. At number 30, let's get straight into it. Hype against USD. It's still too new, so we don't have much data to work with. PEPE against USDT. Here we are for PEPE. Anything for PEPE? Okay, so PEPE is still in an uptrend. We're still above the skinny pink line. The magical skinny pink line. So we're going to respect the bullish trend and anticipate the possibility of more upside. Is this a bearish reversal chart pattern? No, it is not. But PEPE is ready at what is the market cap? Yeah, 8.5 billion. It's an 8 billion coin. Okay. In the smaller time frames, medium time frames, how does this look like? This looks to me like a rising channel. Still not really confirmed yet, I would say. If anything, there will be some resistance at around this area. Could we still head higher, probably towards 3,000? Yeah, we're at 2,000. So, we're just going to take things one step at a time for PEPE. Uniswap against BTC. Here we are for Uni. Uni is still in a downwards trend. We've been hitting the skinny pink line many times, but no clear sign of a proper bullish reversal. Every time we break it, we come back down, come back down. Look at this, we come back down. Yeah, so as it stands, yeah, nope. We're gonna have to wait for more clarity. Uni against USD. Okay, we're above the skinny pink line against USD, which means that potentially we could still go higher. How much higher? I'm gonna assume around between 24 to 25 bucks, I would say. Around this area, right? This is the next noisy area. 24, 25, right? So, not too much though. It's just another 10 bucks more. So from 14 to about 24 is 71%, right? So could be a little bit more upside, but yeah, again, the chart pattern just really isn't that good. So there you go. Litecoin against BTC. So Litecoin against BTC continues its downwards trend. So it's been down against BTC. No clear sign of a bullish reversal yet. However, for Litecoin against USD, we have a target fresh out of the oven at $195. We're at 106, so we are anticipating the continuation of Litecoin towards the upside. The reason why we are feeling pretty bullish about Litecoin is one is that there was a very nice accumulation, right? Not really that's high quality, but still an accumulation of sorts. And there was a breakout, right? This was the resistance line. We broke it, but then we came back down, yes. But we are consolidating right on top of the resistance line. And we are still above the skinny pink line. This means that potentially this could be an ABC that could be about to complete, right? This could be the first of the second wave, third wave, get a fourth wave, fifth wave, right? We could get something like a cup and handle. We go higher towards 195. So this is the target that we have for Litecoin. If the bullishness continues, we'll probably break 300 bucks though, taking out the classes of buys over here. So there is that possibility as well, but we'll take things one step at a time. So 195 first. Watch out for the break of the, you can actually pull a resistance line here, yes. So watch out for the break of the resistance line. So it may not be as clean, it might just break and come back down and up. Yeah, but we're still eventually expecting a bullish continuation for Litecoin. At this point of time, of course, if things start switching bearish, if we start going close to the skinny pink line back, yeah, then we'll probably go under it, right? So, still feeling pretty bullish about Litecoin. So 195 is still our target. Leo against BTC. Here we are for Leo. Anything for Leo? Leo has been going sideways. We're still anticipating it to hit 5,095. Right now at 9,004. Could we just start reversing from here? Of course, this whole thing could become a very big ascending triangle. Value 1, value 2, value 3. That's it. Bananas. So anything for Leo BTC? Not too sure. Not too sure yet. Leo against USD. Here we are. We've already taken out the highs. So potentially more upside. Yeah. How much higher? If I had to guess, right, about 14 bucks for Leo. I think you probably go to 14 bucks, right? Sure, you may argue there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could already be the end. Sure, of course. But if the bullishness continues, then we're expecting 14 bucks potentially, right? But of course, if I were to be in Leo, I will probably secure profits around this area, right? I'll probably be like at least 80% out at 9 bucks, right? I could keep 20% and see how things behave, but yeah, there's a possibility for 14 bucks, but we need to see consolidation. The way Leo moves is it consolidates, breaks up, consolidates, breaks up, consolidates, breaks up. So the next move will have to be a consolidation as well, right? Yeah, so there you go. As long as we're above the skinny pink line though. So we remain with our bullish bias for Leo. Near protocol, near against BTC. Here we are for near. Okay, near BTC is good in the sense that this is a falling channel. And falling channels usually break higher, right? Rising channels usually break lower. Rising channel of sorts, breaking lower. Do you see it, boys and girls? Do you see it? So this is a falling channel. More likely than not, a wave 3, the 4 and the 5. More likely than not. So this is near for you. However, for near, we are under the skinny pink line. So that's not good. We would love it if we were above the skinny pink line and remain above it. So as it stands, could there still be another zip lower? Yes, because we do not know how much lower the falling channel is going to go. Right? We could, kind of guess and estimate that potentially we could head towards the 786 area, right? We've already bust through 0.618. So it's either we start reversing from here or we're going to drop to the next Fibonacci retracement level, right? At 786. 702 is just between 618 and 786, but I would assume that 786 is a potential drop if we were to continue the downwards trend for near BTC. Near against USD. So for near against USD, again, we're marking around at a skinny pink line. Not something I like to see. Could we still head higher? Of course, for sure. How much higher? Potentially 14 to 15 bucks. But we're under the skinny pink line. So I would preach caution when it comes to near. Right. At the same time, of course, there are clusters of buys over here. So there could be just a surprise move, zoop, and then we come back down. Right. But I will preach caution about near. Right. If anything, again, we'll have to see whether if there's a rally back up towards the resistance line. If yes, then this whole thing will probably complete as a inverse head and shoulders. We continue higher. Potentially to sub 15. 15, sub 15, around there. Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Still in a downward trend. Aptos against USD. Here we are for Aptos. Accumulation. Yes. Again, pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay. So, based on this, right, I'm probably going to clear these clusters of cells going down to 0.618. So if anything, I would keep an eye out for 0.618. Where's the T? Okay, no, you actually can. Okay, let's put an I here. A. Alright, let's do it here. Yeah, so keep an eye out for 0.618, right? If we form a hammer over here, if we start forming, in the smaller time frames, some sort of a bullish reversal chart pattern, inverse head and shoulders, or symmetrical potentially, or an ascending triangle, then yeah, potentially this could be the completion of the accumulation. It could be a big blast off. 100 bucks potentially. But yeah, how much lower? That's the question. How much lower are we going to go? We're not too sure. So yeah, so we watch out for 0.618. Is there a possibility that we drop lower? Of course, but we watch out for 0.618. I suspect there's a bounce coming on at 0.618, which is around $7, right? We might go sub $7, 680, maybe 690 again. Yeah, this is the level that we want to be looking at for Aptos. Internet computer, ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. Anything for internet computer? Nope. Still forming lower lows? Yeah. Not good, boys and girls. ICP against USD. Okay, so for ICP, again, potential symmetrical in the making. Breakout? It's unconfirmed, boys and girls. It's unconfirmed. Again, the noisy area is over here. We've hit the top part of the noisy area. Can we drop a little bit lower? Clear these classes of cells first. maybe drop towards $8, right? Before a reversal, maybe clear these clusters of sells first. That will be 770, 770, 780, somewhere around there before a reversal. Potentially. So if anything, I mean, if you were to make a move for ICP, we'll have to see it, almost complete first before doing anything. So as it stands, yeah, no, we're gonna stay safe. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.